Brian M. inspired recipe for the smoked brisket sundae explosion, where barbecue meets sundae vibes in the most insane, savory way. Ingredients. For the waffle cone base. Large waffle cones, store-bought or homemade. Optional, brush inside with melted butter for extra crunch. For the layers. 1 cup smoked brisket, chopped or shredded. 1 cup loaded mashed potatoes with butter, cream, and cheese. 1 cup creamy mac and cheese. 1/4 Cuban pesos sour cream or chive whipped cream. 2 tablespoon chopped crispy bacon bits. Hot honey or spicy barbecue glaze for drizzling. Chopped chives for garnish. Instructions. 1. Prepare the components: warm brisket, mac and cheese, and mashed potatoes separately. Prepare sour cream or whip sour cream with a little heavy cream for a light, whipped topping. 2. Layer the sundae. Start by spooning mac and cheese into the waffle cone as the base scoop. Next, add a layer of chopped smoked brisket. Top with a generous scoop of mashed potatoes like ice cream. 3. Toppings. Pipe or dollop whipped sour cream on top. Sprinkle with crispy bacon bits and chives. Drizzle hot honey or spicy barbecue glaze over the whole sundae. 4. Final explosion. Serve immediately with a spoon or dare to bite into it like an ice cream cone.